Welcome back to Top 5 Gadgets, and in this episode not only do we bring you a brand new format, and welcome to those listening on the podcast platforms, but behold, MGear Gadget Wallet 3.0.
Nice. So what we have in front of us here, Pete, look at this in all its glory. The MGear Gadget Wallet. Oh yeah.
So
take it out of the box.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So I know I've taken it away from the little special
fine.
cam, but look, if I'll swap back over here. I'll do the little twirlies and you can talk all about it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So the MGear Gadget Wallet, the most customizable gadget, wallet, and EDC ever. That's a quote I've made up, not them.
And you know I like a gadget.
Yeah, you do. This is right up the dad street, and your street in particular.
And dad's is important because Father's Day's coming. So these are the sort of things that we want to give you.
This could be the perfect Father's Day gift.
Have a look at this. Right. You go, oh, card wallet. That's good.
Yeah.
Better than that. What about a wallet where you can sneak away a few notes?
Yeah.
Don't have to tell the missus you got them.
Oy.
Hide them back inside.
Yes.
Nobody knows.
So let me tell you a little bit about it. I've got some notes written here.
Go on then. You tell me. I'm going to keep having a little
It has a fully aluminium frame, which feels amazing. Proper EDC hardcore. It has removable carbon fiber panels that Pete was just showing you a second ago. These panels are fully customizable as well. So you can have them in any color, or indeed your own custom logo printed or etched onto the carbon fiber. Now that's cool.
Pretty cool.
You can buy extra panels for it when you buy the wallet, so you can keep changing up the look as you go. That's pretty cool.
There's the panels dropped out.
Nice.
And there's the bare frame.
Just 60 grams in weight. You have a 5-card maximum capacity. The cash clip that Pete showed you a second ago that you can flip around and hide. It's got a kind of elasticated band around it. Clippable accessories. Now this is interesting. When you get the wallet from MGear, you can buy additional accessories that clip onto, if Pete shows you here, the sides of the wallet. You can get a flashlight that attaches there. I know you like that idea.
I do like a flashlight.
You can get a flat multi-tool, so you can attach one accessory on each side, so one that side and then one on the other. You can get a flashlight, a mini pen, a multi-tool, and a USB card. All really cool. So you can have a proper everyday carry gadget and a wallet in one.
Who doesn't want that?
That is a combo. And like I say, you can get additional panels so you can keep changing up the look of your MGear Gadget Wallet as you go.
Now for me, I haven't carried a wallet for years. I love having a wallet.
Yeah.
But let's face it, since mobile phones have got a little bit bigger and a little bit bigger, that kind of real estate in your trousers isn't so much there.
Hey.
So the wallet tends to go in your back pocket, yeah?
Yeah.
I like to switch it up for something a bit like this. I like to carry my essential cards in there, and I like something that I can kind of money clip.
Yeah.
I've got all of that in a device like this, and the fact that it's just that little bit more manly.
Fully customizable, so make it your own. Get your own print on there if you want. It's even got a handwritten serial number, so you know it's one of a kind. I know that this is a gadget that you're going to take home.
Do you know what? I'm all over it. That to me is super cool, and the fact that the features you've talked about there, I can put a torchlight on it. I'm someone that always carries a penknife.
Yeah,
I've always got a torch somewhere nearby.
Yeah,
I love that kind of tech. So for me, that's super cool. That's my sort of thing, and that is got to be one of my recommendations for Father's Day this year.
The ultimate Father's Day everyday carry, that is. Yeah. Or just for someone you like. You know, you could buy me one if you want, Pete.
I mean, it depends how much you like. Unfortunately for you.
So you're keeping this one and I don't get one.
But you know, there's a level
right
that you have to achieve to be gifted something like this.
Yeah.
If you know someone special enough for this, I don't.
Okay.
Oh, wait a minute. Myself.
Oh, so it could be a gift for yourself this Father's Day too.
But yeah, it's super cool. I like those customs. I like the fact that you can put little mods on it, really personalize it. And it's just an everyday carry. It's like simple stuff. Look, a unique number. Yeah. That's cool. says VIP on the other side.
So it also,
cool.
I need to say that you can get some free cards that come with it. They've got a measuring card.
Check out that.
What's this called? It's like a finessel.
Do you know
magnifier?
It's for like starting fires, AJ.
Yes, exactly. And this one you're like, this is a combination of Morse code, ground air emergency code, and some other kind of crazy survival stuff, which shows you who this is for. The rugged outdoorsman like me.
Right. Do you know? Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
And to finish it off,
yeah,
you of course get a limited lifetime warranty with every single one. Now that's cool.
Not many companies go that far.
Just shows you how good the product's made. They're willing to stand by it for the lifetime that they dictate, obviously.
And in fairness, it feels it, doesn't it?
It feels fantastic.
That is a robust bit of kit. I really like it. I could definitely recommend that. And the first person I'll recommend it to is myself.
Well, there you go. You might as well take it.
Oh,
Happy
thanks.
Christmas. So, Pete, that about wraps up our look at the MGear Gadget Wallet 3.0. The perfect Father's Day gift, or indeed gift to yourself if that's the only person in your life that you love.
And for that, I thank you.
Hopefully you've enjoyed this new format of video here on Top 5 Gadgets. I've thoroughly enjoyed doing it. Face reveal, new guest, here to stay.
And what I would say is, if you did like it, hit subscribe just over there. I notice a lot of people on the channel haven't hit the subscribe button.
Yes, despite the 120,000 subscribers, we are still about 80% non-subscribed, so get on it.
Also, if you didn't like this video, hit that thumbs up button just down there. And if you want to know more about this, or you want to suggest any other gadgets that we should cover, join us down below in the comments.
So thanks for watching and joining us here at Top 5 Gadgets, and we will see you next time.
Bye!